Yo, what is up? So in this tutorial, all we're going to be doing is fixing our materials on the body parts that we brought in the last tutorial. So like I was saying at the end of the last tutorial, when you're using CC4 and you do this modular character setup, it brings in a bunch of duplicated materials and stuff that we don't need because we already have them on our base character. So we're going to replace the materials on our pieces that we brought in with the materials that already exist on our base character. And yeah, it's just going to be a short little organization kind of cleanup episode. So let's hop into it. Alright, so we've got our pieces right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our characters folder, CC4, player character, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull up the skeletal mesh of our base character, the one that's already put together. It's not pieces. And then we're going to go into our body parts. We're going to go into the head first. We're going to open this guy up. And we're just going to basically look at the materials that we have on here and replace them with the one on the base character. So the first one is going to be the tongue. So I'm going to go grab the tongue, hit the search right here, come back, hit the back arrow on that guy. Next one will be the head, so hit the search on the head, come back, put that one in there. Next one is going to be the body, hit the search on that, come back, put that body on. Next one is going to be the arm, so hit the search on the arm, come back and put that one on. Next one is going to be the eyelash. So we'll go find our eyelash, search that, and put it on this one. Next one is the tier line R. So tier line R, search, come and put it back on that guy. Next one is tier line L. So we're going to get this guy and put it on that guy. Next one is eye occlusion R. So eye occlusion R right here, and then put it on this one. Next one is eye occlusion L, so we'll grab this one and put it over here. Next one is upper teeth, so get the upper teeth and put it on this one. Next one is lower teeth, so grab the lower teeth and put it on this one. Next one is IR. So get the eye and put it on this one. Next one is cornea R. So we'll get the cornea, come back and put it on this one. Next one is IL. We'll come and grab this one and put it on this one. Next one is cornea L. So we'll grab this one and come and put it on this one. Next one is male angled. So we'll grab this one and put it on this one. Next one is male angled base. So we'll grab this one and put it on this one. Next one is beard transparency. So we'll grab this one. They might be named a little bit differently, but generally they're going to be in the same spot. So this one's beard too. We're going to come and put it on this one. And next one is beard again. We're going to come and grab that one and put it on that one. Next one is hair. So we'll grab this hair right here and put it on this one. Next one is scalp. So we'll come and grab the scalp right here and put it on this one. Next one is another scalp. So we'll come and grab this guy and put it on this guy. And we got two more, which is going to be two different hairs. So grab this hair, come and put it on this guy. Then we got another hair. Come and grab this one and put it on that guy. Cool. So that's the hardest one done. The head always has the most materials, so we'll go ahead and close that guy out. we'll do a save all. Let's come into our player character, body parts, head, and now we're just gonna delete the materials. So go in here to the material folder and delete all of these materials, and then we're gonna delete all the textures because we don't need those either. It's just stuff taking up space that we don't need. So just delete all of these unnecessary textures. We'll come back, we'll delete this folder, go into this folder, and delete a bunch of these textures as well. And we'll go back, delete that folder, then we'll go back, delete that folder, we'll go back, and delete that materials folder. Then we'll save, and now we'll go to the torso. We'll do the torso next. And this one only has 3 materials, luckily. So let's see, the top one, first material is going to be the body. So let's go and grab this body right here, and we'll put it on this one, and then we'll go and get the arm. So get that arm and put it on this one, and then the next one will be the nails. So get the nails and put it on that one, and then we'll save and we'll close it, and then we'll go into the find our torso materials and delete these materials, so we don't need them. Same thing with the textures, delete all these textures. Delete. We'll come back, delete that folder, go back and delete this folder, and then go back and delete that folder. Now all we got are is the legs, so we'll open this guy up, and we have 4 materials on this one. So first one is the body, so we'll go get the body and we'll put that on there. The next one is the leg, so we'll grab the leg and put that on there. Next one is the nails, so we'll grab that one and put it on there. And then the next one is the boxers, which is somewhere. Where are the boxers? Right here. Grab those and put it on there. And then we'll save, then we'll close this guy, and we can close that guy as well. We shouldn't need it. And now we're gonna go find the legs here, go into the materials and delete all of these materials, and then same thing with the textures. We'll delete all of these, a bunch of unnecessary textures. And then we'll come back and delete that folder, and we'll come back and delete that folder, and we'll come back and delete that folder. And now all of these parts just share materials rather than having unique materials to the base character. And yeah, that's all we're gonna do in this one. So in the next part, we'll probably go ahead and get started on our inventory, and that's gonna take a while. So we'll be on that for a while. Inventory kind of leads into equipment, and then equipment leads into using items, and it's a whole process. So we'll be on that for a while. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know those down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.